Happy New Year and welcome back to another vlog. It's actually the 1st of January 2022 and I just want to wish you guys all the love and happiness in the world and in this year. And in the spirit of happiness, my family and I are going to the forest in Kereita. We are going to spend the day together, bonding, doing activities and lots of eating. I'm actually really excited because we haven't hung out as a family in quite a while. We've all been busy with our own things, so it's going to be fun just to hang out. I'll show you guys my outfit when we get there because actually everybody is in the car and I'm supposed to be locking up. Instead I'm talking to you guys, so I'll catch you guys when we get there.
It's very high.
Yeah, I saw that.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good then you would feel alive.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah.
Sema kitu. Hi, sema kitu. Wow. You're not scared. Why?
Don't let go.
All the best. Bye. Enjoy. Okay.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling never like this, I just want me and die. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. Everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
He never answers me. When I call, he makes me feel so